Hello, my name is Mary Beal, and this is video journal number 1 for EDAD 610. After reviewing the CAPES and standards for this course, I am extremely interested and eager to get involved. Teacher evaluation has been an area of focus for me as a peer evaluator and a peer coach to many new teachers on our campus. I work with the TIPS program, formerly the BITSA program, as well as peer mentorship through our County Office of Education. Through this time, not only have I been able to help other teachers in their gaining of knowledge and learning as they develop as educators, but I've also been able to be reflective upon my own teaching and strategies to develop mine as well. When looking at how they relate to the role of the administrator is an instructional coach. And with this role, or in this role, the educator will receive support from their administrator, and the administrator, through conversations, formal and informal evaluations, will be able to offer constructive criticism, feedback, suggestions, and moments of ahas that sometimes the teachers don't even realize that they're successful with. After reviewing the assignments, I don't currently have any questions regarding them and have already began 3 of them. I am looking forward to the opportunity to evaluate teachers and have already set up 2 times to do it within our own site, but also to travel to other sites within the county to do this exact same type of experiment. Overall, I'm looking forward to develop as an instructional coach. I have spent a lot of time working with teachers as they develop as leaders on campus, as well as they discover or as they learn and grow as educators on our campus. And throughout my learning, the better I will be, or the more learning I have, the better I will become at evaluating these teachers to help in ways to, or help offer ways for them to be successful. That sort of covers my expertise and my experiences. As I said, I am, or have been in the past and currently am, a TIP provider, which was formerly BITSA, as well as a county peer mentor coach. I am looking forward to being a little bit more on the other side of the teacher evaluation rather than just being the teacher evaluated. But with reflection about how my teacher evaluations have gone, I've learned many things. Some areas through teacher evaluation, I've learned that it's very beneficial when the evaluator or the instructional coach asks questions and gathers feedback from the teacher being evaluated, asks growing questions following the domains of knowledge, to ask a teacher what they saw, what they found, what they would offer as support and areas of need on their own. And through that, being very specific in what I saw. And when I offer suggestions, or when suggestions have been offered to me, I make sure to root it in what the goals were, the personal goals of the teacher, plus the goals of the site, to ensure that they're being made. Some ways that they have not been effective and could have been improved as when, after an evaluation, you're given the sheet or your scores and feedback and no discussion happens. Sometimes through this discussion is where aha and clarifying moments can happen. And through that time, both the teacher and the evaluator can grow. So it is very important that we refuse or stay away from just handing over the formal document without a discussion regarding it. I look forward to this course, and thank you again.